Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, this is just a follow-up from the Menlo. So this is a replacement package. I haven't seen this one yet, so we are going to see this one together. So let's do that and let's check this out. What's going to be inside the package? I posted it online and then you already have seen it that it's the same thing that I have had before. So now they sent me a new package for that. I emailed them regarding about it and then they're quick, and then they as soon as I talked to the customer service lady, and then she gave me a return label, sent it back, and then after a week they sent me this one. I haven't had the chance to open this. So this is from Menlo Club. This is a subscription package that I have for about probably 20 months now. So far so good. If you're going to look at my closet, it's all 5'4" /Menlo Club, so I love it. The thing I really like about this one is the pant. It's really a nice fit. So that's why I really like it. So now today we're gonna open this and let's see what do they have for us. So they have, oh, it's nice. It's kind of like, it's a shirt. So this is a shirt that came from this package, and it's a Zack shirt. It's a medium one. So there you go. There you go. And of course it's a 5'4" shirt. And the color, of course, it's olive. So this is 60% cotton and then 40% polyester. Anyway, this one is good, and it's if you're going to look at it, it's not that thick anyway. So that's perfect. The second thing that they sent us, okay. So now I'm impressed, right? Thank you very much, Menlo. So this is a way different one. Look at that. Look how nice this is. I'm going to model it for you guys. This is exciting because this is something new that I haven't had yet. I had the long coat. It's an olive green too, but that's a nice one. And then this one is a different style. It's thick too, so which is good. And it has a different style. So it's a button-up jacket. So let's see what it is. Of course, it's from 5'4". And this is called Ibelli. Ibelli, of course, the size is medium. And there you go. And it's khaki. This is, let's see. So this is 60% cotton and then 40% polyester. So that's good. Pockets here. And then 2 pockets on the side. There you go. And then when you open it up, there's this string on the side, so you can really tighten it up. And then there's this, I don't know what you call this, but that's there. And then yeah, so that's the back of it. And then here's the front. So this is nice. So this is an Ibelli jacket. I like it. So this is that. It's nice, huh? And then this is the back. There you go. So it's nice. I really like it. Thank you, Menlo. This is such a good pieces that you have given me. Thank you very much, and I will see you again in the next video. Charles, California. Do what makes you happy. Thank you very much. Just hit the subscribers button, hit like. I hope you like this video, and then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you know that it will alert you if I do have new videos. I usually tend to upload my videos on a Sunday, so you'll be able to see that one. Thank you very much. Have a good one. I will see you again. Bye-bye.